Today we're going to take a look at how 4D v13 works. Double-click on the 4D executable to start your 4D application. Automatically, the Welcome Wizard offers to help you. You can connect to a server, open a local application, or create a new application, which is where we're going to start. Later, when you've gotten the hang of things, you can check the Do Not Show This at 4D Launch option, and this dialog will no longer be displayed. We're going to create an application so as to discover the 4D architecture and interface. We'll save this first database on the desktop, My First 4D Database. 4D starts by opening the Explorer that you will nearly always use to modify tables and fields, in other words, your structure, as well as forms or methods. Here, we recognize the classic MVC model, Model View Controller. These are the model concept, the tables, fields, and relations that represent the data model, the view concept, called forms in 4D, the controller concept, called methods. In addition, 4D consists of two stacked layers, a layer dedicated to development, and a layer for use. We find these two concepts in the organization of the toolbar and menus as well. The toolbar is divided into two parts. On the left, from New to the Find and Design area, are functionalities designed for the developer. The right-hand part, from Tables to Execute, concerns use. The MSC and database properties concern both development and use, but are more for use on the administrator side. 4D v13 also has complementary tools for managing the security aspects of your databases with advanced and programmable management of users, groups, and passwords, as well as menus, pictures, styles, and so on. Now, let's see how easy it is to create an application and enter a few records with just a few clicks.